Okay, so there are three ways to make a surface body become a solid. And the first one is pretty straightforward, but I also show you a small trick to avoid running into troubles. It's called thicken, and you find it in surface, create, thicken. So let's thicken this first. You can drag the arrow outside or inside like so, or set the thickness here. You can also select symmetric to let it go both ways. Okay, so now it became a solid body. And if you have worked with a project, surface project for a long time, you don't want to run into problems. And this is not a very complex thing, but I will show you as an example. So go to Inspect and Curvature Map Analysis and set this to Principal Maximum. And this is the slider we're interested in. So with this active, select the body and slide this down until the red becomes almost gone. So over here, and you can also click away at this one to make it almost gone. So we'll remember this value here, 6 point something. Okay, and when I go to thicken, I don't want to be symmetric, just one side. When I drag this just a little bit, all looks fine and dandy. The inside surface is also curvy and nice. But when I approach that value we got from before, 6 something, you'll see it will become wonky here. So it can produce the body, but it will have may have some issues like that. And in this case, I can drag it all the way here before it fills totally. But take that value from this analysis tool as a warning. You can think of this value as a kind of a radius. So if you stay inside of the value that you got here all the way, so it doesn't show a lot of red, you will be fine. So, okay. Next approach to make surface bodies into solids would be to stitch them together. And here I got this surface loft, but it's just one surface body, and it's open up here and also open down there. So we will have to cap the openings with patch, like so, and repeat patch. And now we got 3 solid surface bodies that we can stitch together. So the green lines just shows the stitch will work, and press OK. So the 3 surfaces becomes one solid body. And in this case, we can't just stitch it together. There are 2 surface bodies over here I have already stitched together. But if I select them and try to stitch, we got no nice green lines because the edges are way too far away from each other. So cancel that. We have to trim this a bit. So trim, and I will use this surface as our trimming tool and click the thing I want to get rid of. Okay. And repeat trim, using this as our trimming tool, and get rid of this one. So we got this surface body here and this one, and their edges match up perfectly. So now when I stitch, the line here becomes green, and I can press OK. You see there are two surface bodies. When I press OK, they become one solid. So final approach to making surface bodies into solids is a thing called boundary fill. And our next example will be quite similar to the last one. We got this cylinder, and you got the surface body over here, and I will cap it off here. But we don't have to stitch them together using this command, boundary fill. So I select the tools, all three of them, and next select cells, and there is only one cell, so click away. I have the option to remove tools. That will mean that the surface bodies will disappear after this. So, okay. And it became one solid body. And in the last example, we'll also use boundary fill. This is just to show you can use different kinds of bodies and also planes to cap things off. So we got this solid ring up here, and we got the plane to cap off the opening up here. The plane doesn't look like it would cap off, but every plane in Fusion is infinitely large, so it will indeed cap that opening. And down here I made a flat face just to make sure it's straight down here. So create boundary fill, select our tools, and also this plane up here. And when I select cells, option to leave some of them or just select all of them, and remove tools. And also this solid body become part of our new solid. Yeah, that's it. See you.